Good morning again. It is 1:31 a.m. Central Standard Time here on December 5th, 2021 in the Tulsa, Oklahoma area. Please hit like, share, and subscribe and that notification bell. I'm going to give this shout out to one of my subscribers, Tab. Love you, hun. Thank you so much for the update. We are in a minor warning. Why are we in a minor warning for geomagnetic storms? Well, that's why. We are at an M-class flare. Remember how I said that we had 10 C-class flares earlier? Well, ended up being 11, and then we popped off with an M-class. And let me show you over here. This is a little bit better over here at Space Weather Prediction Center. Or excuse me, Space Weather Live. You can see that we are in M1.45 in the last 2 hours. That is the highest that it reached. So, and the current value is 1.29. So it's pretty, as you can see here, it says that it's a strong flare, which it is. But this is actually pretty nice to come here to spaceweatherlive.com, and then you come over to when you get there, you just come over here and you tap on this, bink, and this is where it brings you to solar flares. I believe you can get there from here. Yeah, you can come here to solar flares too, and you can get there at the same time. So this is what we got going on, just ramping up, which I tried telling everybody it's going to wind up happening. Oh, we got a G2. Oh, that's from Wednesday, November. Psst, what is this? This is old news. But they need to update this thing a little bit, don't you think? I don't think this is going to show it, though. But we can give it a look-see. We're actually going to have to wait for a few hours because it does take a little bit for it to update. But we'll definitely take a look at it, folks. Oh, boy. Yeah, this will be fun, won't it? Oh, no, I'm not trying to be on Twitter. Hang on, we'll get there in just a second. Here we are, back over at Space Weather Prediction Center at the enthusiast dashboard. And as you can see right here, we are looking at 26, about 26 decibels of absorption right here in the middle of the ocean. Thank goodness. So we're still getting about 20 over here in Africa and India. God dang, India, Indonesia, like these guys just can't get a break. I mean, Indonesia had that huge volcano eruption, very massive. I don't have any footage for it, and it's easy to find, folks. There's so many things going on. Volcanoes erupting, earthquakes like crazy. They're literally going to shut the whole daggum country down because of the pollution, the air pollution. It's so bad. There's so much PM 2.5, the nitrogen dioxide. It's horrible going on over here, and with everything, like everybody's suffering right now. But what people don't realize is there's so many volcanoes that's going off, which is causing everything that's happening. I'll show you. Here we are over at earthquakes at volcanodiscovery.com. Oh, I'm so sorry. Look at all these earthquakes, folks. Look at these. That 5.0 in Mexico. It says 5.0. Whatever the numbers are, add 1 point. Okay, again, add 1 point. They literally shut it down 1 point as soon as Mr. Richter died. I mean, look at this 4.2. There are so many in this area that the whole damn thing is just red. That's called a swarm. When you start, like, and over here, look at this. Another swarm, 5.0. Look at all this. Swarms of things. Why is that going on? Because all these volcanoes erupting, the earthquakes, the plates are sliding under. What happens when the plates start sliding under? You have eruptions. I mean, the magma's got to go somewhere. Look at all of this, folks. Everybody's like, oh, these, especially in America. This is where people in the United States, we really have to understand, that's like right near me. Oh, that's right near me. I'm going to have to zoom in on that one, actually. But these things that are going on, folks, there's a reason why people are leaving Central America and moving up into this region, because they're trying to get away from the volcanoes, all the ash. Look over here, Indonesia. Look at all this ash. All these volcanoes, I mean, all these earthquakes. There's going to wind up being a tsunami here before too long. The buoys are going to wind up going crazy. They're not showing any eruptions over here, but it would not surprise me, especially like if these guys here are contributing and the prevailing winds are kind of blowing this way. Very easy for them to get it. Or if it's blowing from this way, or straight this way, it doesn't matter. It's just not good. Plus, there's all kinds of factories. India does have a lot of pollution, but yeah, please stay safe out there. Come look at some of the stuff yourself. Earthquakes.volcanodiscovery.com. Thanks again, Tab P. Love you, hun. Appreciate you giving me a quick heads up on it. You heard it here first. Stay safe, everybody. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Share and show it with your friends. God bless, and I love you.